In this video, I will give you 3 methods on how to stop pop-up ads on your iPad. Now for the first method, if you open any website on your iPad and if you find pop-up ads or ads in general in the website and if you want to stop them, just tap on the 3 lines over here, then tap on Hide Distracting Items. Now in your website, just tap on the item which you want to hide. For example, I'll select this one, then tap on Hide. And after you do that, you will hide the selected item from the screen, just like that. And once you're done hiding the selected items, now just tap on Done. As you can see, the ads have been hidden from the website. Now this option is good if you're reading a blog on a specific website, but if you want to block all the pop-up ads on your iPad across all the websites, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Safari app, then tap on it. And over here, you will find the option of Block Pop-ups. Now just make sure you enable this toggle. Now if this toggle is disabled, just turn it on. And after you do that, you will block all the pop-up ads on all the websites on your iPad. But if you want to block all the ads on your iPad, even on third-party apps, then for that, there is the third method. Now for this method, just go to the App Store and search this. Then install this app on your iPad. Once this app is fully downloaded, now just tap on Open and select Create a Profile. Now from here, just enable this toggle. As you can see, it is asking us to enable Next DNS from the settings. Now for that, let's go to the home screen and open Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just tap on VPN and Device Management. Now over here, you will find the option for DNS. Now just tap on DNS and select Next DNS from here. After you do that, now just go back to the Next DNS app. As you can see, we have enabled this app on our iPad. And this is how you can stop all the pop-up ads on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.